Good morning to everyone. In this lecture, EC8351 Electronic Circuits 1, the Unit 1. In previous videos, you have to studied the BJT configurations and the analysis of DC load line and the fixed bias circuit of BJT. Now, today we are going to discuss about the topic voltage divider bias of BJT configurations. The voltage bias is provided by three resistor R1, R2, RE. The resistor R1 and R2 act as a potential divider, giving a fixed voltage to point B, which is base. If collector current increases due to changes in the temperature or change in beta, the emitter current IE also increases. Reducing the voltage drop across RE increases, reducing the voltage difference between the base and the emitter voltage. Now, due to the reduction in base voltage, that is a base emitter voltage, the base current IB and hence the collector current IC also changes. We see the structure of voltage divider bias. In this structure, the base biasing side, the R1 and R2 resistance is serially connected to the base emitter voltage side, and the RE resistance are connected to the ground positions. Now we are going to analyze the circuit in voltage divider bias. The circuit is a base side. When the voltage across R2 is a VB, the applying voltage divider bias theorem to find out the voltage divider theorem to find base voltage, we get the base voltage equal to R2 of I divided by R1 of I1 I plus IB plus R2 of I. This is a voltage divider theorem into VCC. So now the condition of base voltage is equal to R2 divided by R1 plus R2 into VCC. Here the I value is not declared in the base side. So I have to I is neglected or 0, put to 0. So the condition of VB is equal to R2 divided by R1 plus R2 into VCC. Now the collector circuit side, we analyze the collector circuit side. Voltage across RG VE can be obtained. VE is equal to IE, RE is equal to VB minus VBE. The IE is equal to VB minus VBE divided by RG. Applying KVL to the collector circuit, we get the VCC minus IC RE minus VCE minus IE RE is equal to 0. So the final condition of VCE is equal to supply voltage minus collector current, collector resistance minus emitter current, emitter resistance. Now we discuss the simplified circuit of voltage divider bias. The base resistance can be calculated. The RB is equal to R1 plus R2 divided by R1 plus R2 by applying the KVL to the base circuit. So the threshold voltage is equal to IB RB plus VBE plus IE RE. Now in this condition, the IE is equal to IC plus IB. So we have to using the IE is nothing but the IC plus IB. So the threshold voltage is equal to base voltage BBE minus RB plus RE into IB. So these conditions are satisfied in the emitter current. So the IC is equal to RE, IC into RE. Now finally we calculate the base emitter voltage is equal to Thevenin voltage minus, that is a VTH minus resistance, base resistance plus emitter resistance into base current minus collector current into collector emitter resistance. These are the simple circuit of voltage divider to analyze the BJT configurations. Thank you for watching this video.